How to block website in Google Chrome whether you are using PC or laptop. Here you can see three dots, click it here. Here you can see extensions. Here you can see visit Chrome web store, click it here. Search for block site. Here you can see different options. We need to scroll down, scroll down. Here you can see block site. You can find this extension link in the description below. Click it here. Then click on add to Chrome, add extension. Now click it here. Pin this extension. As you can see, the extension has pinned. Now open the desired website that you want to block. Open the desired website that you want to block. In my case, Wikipedia. Right click anywhere in the website and click on block this domain. As you can see, this website has now blocked. If we go to Wikipedia again, as you can see, this is blocked now. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.